I am back in one of my favorite locations, Hanover, Pennsylvania. I just arrived at yesteryear. This is my fourth stop of the day. I've spent $291 so far. The reason why that's extra noteworthy is because I bought this Holt Howard planter earlier today. I spent $90 on it, but it sells for about $290. So far, almost everything has been basically free. Of course, there's fees and stuff, but either way, I'm excited to get in here and see what they've restocked with since I've been out of town. Oh, it's nice and quiet in here. Now, I normally start with the cases when I come in, but I decided I'd do an aisle or two first. Those are cute. I've had these before. They didn't sell that well. It's that bisque material I'm not a fan of. This booth always has such fun stuff. I got excited from afar, but a lot of it looks like newer Christmas items. The Lefton cat I've kind of overplayed. That Pabst Blue Ribbon is pretty incredible. Let's see what else they got. Oh, look at this little angel. Is it a belt? Yeah. Oh, that is adorable. It's only $1 too. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that for $1. I kind of feel like, why not? All right. This is a more common set, and it's got some paint loss. It's a fair price. This set I've had a few times. Honestly, the last time I bought and sold it, I misplaced it. Unfortunately, I should probably pick these up on principle, but I've kind of seen them a lot recently. This Samson Imports planter, or compote, excuse me, is nice. It's $5 and 20% off. So for $4, even though it's got a little bit of paint loss, I think I'd be able to easily double my money on that, perhaps. I'm gonna go with yes. I'm gonna grab it. This ashtray is kind of fun. 15. Oh, that's neat. I don't think I could get too much more out of that. Super fair price. Could probably get a couple bucks out of it, but I'm gonna pass today. I've really done a number on today's shopping trip. I see Norcrest owls. $10 as found. Okay. What's as found about them? Hold on, I'm gonna put my camera down. So I've been looking and looking, and the only thing I can kind of figure out is they have the tiniest little nicks in the corner of their eyelids. They're $10 and 15% off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab them anyway. This is a pretty good set, and they're kind of hard to find at reseller's price, though they're not perfect. I won't sell them for top dollar, but I'll definitely be able to eke out some money from them. The next set I see that I have some interest in are the whales. These ones are $8 and 15%. I'm gonna set those aside. I kind of like the lemons, though I don't think those would sell that quickly. The baseball pigs are pretty spectacular. I know I've kind of set a sports-related ban on myself, but I'm gonna break it for these. So we're gonna get those and do the math on what these come to, so I can tell you what I'm actually paying for them, because I can't do the math in my head, embarrassingly. So the pigs come to like $7.65. They're so cute. Even though they have some crazing, they're very unique. And these come to like $6.50. I'm gonna grab both pairs. Now the lambs, I've had these a few times. How much are they? $8.95. That's a really fair price. I'm nervous that I've kind of overplayed them by how many times I've picked them up. I cannot help but notice the Lego Japan lenticular eye cats, $10. So $8.50. It's been a while, and I like that they have some color to them. Normally, I just see them in all brown. I'm going to go ahead and pick them up since they're in pretty decent condition. The noisemakers don't work, but I don't think they ever do, to be honest. All right, let's see. I kind of am hung up on the lemons for some reason. These are some really interesting looking burgers. Can't say they look that appealing. Now, this is part of a larger set. $7. I think I'm gonna leave those. I don't really see any other ones that have my particular attention. I bought this set before. It took forever to sell and they sold for like nothing. I like the little igloo set too. The light bulbs are fun. If they were a different color, I'd probably get them. I'm not the biggest fan of the amber glass ones. Whoa. Those look, $4. Those are kind of fun. Not sure how quickly they'd sell though, and I'm approaching a move, so I have to be kind of extra choosy. Like the watermelons, I think these are new. They are. And then what's going on with this angel? How fabulous. It's in the original box too. $10. Is this 15% off? So $8.50. I kind of feel like you can't go wrong with that. I did a quick research on what sold, and the prices weren't as much as I thought they were. Even though this one's in the original box, I think I'm gonna let it go. I do love these chenille pipe cleaners. Chenille candy canes, I mean. Gosh. Oh, just spotted the mice. $2 as is repaired. I'm gonna leave those. I know this guy is new, but I kind of can't resist giving him a further look. It's not what I thought it was, though. I thought it was, what is it, Blue Q or Blue Sky? Gosh, I'm having a moment. It's escaped me, but whatever it is, it's not what I thought. I also can't help but notice this. $2, that's super cheap. It is that matte glaze though, and it looks a little dusty. So, you know, even though we don't hate dust, that bisque material is so hard to clean. I don't feel like messing with it. I have so much stuff I got today. Ooh, I like the colors going on here. Viking glass. Wait, Viking glass, $12. Is that right? That doesn't seem right. I feel a little silly leaving that here, but I'm gonna leave it there for now at least while I look through the rest of this booth. I love this color. Oh, look at this fun glass set. Oh, I love these. $25 for the whole set. That's a great price. I also really like these face mugs. I don't usually pick these up. They're only $14.50 each. That's really fair. So, you know, if it was a vase, I'm sure it wouldn't be priced at $12. I'd pick it up. But the compote, I think I'm just gonna have some restraint and leave that one. Now, there's a lot going on in this holiday booth. These are cute. This booth is usually priced around retail. However, this set's $24 left, and that's a really fair price. I can't remember what the last time I saw these was. I'm gonna look them up right quick because I can't remember off the top of my head, but I know it was more than 24. Yeah, so it looks like the average price is between 35 and 40. It's a really fantastic set, but I don't really want to spend quite that much on it, even though it's more than fair. Oh, look at this giraffe. Oh my gosh, it's stone. That's amazing. Love that. And I adore these salt and spice sets. They're so fun. Now, I've seen this Lefton cat, and I've bought and sold it a few times. This Christ one, is it Christ? Am I mistaken? No, Lipperman, excuse me. $24, that's a really fair price for that too. Doesn't leave as much room as I'd like. It's very close to what I'd get for it after fees. And I've looked at that pumpkin planter time and time again. What is this? This looks Italian almost. Yeah, Italy. I kind of like that. Funny little ghost candles. Oh, these are my favorites. I'm kind of into this little skunk thermometer. It's only $6. I'm not sure how well that would do though. Its face is a bit strange. I think I looked at that Valentine's Day planter before, but just to be safe, because it's almost upon us, 24. Totally fair, but too close for me. And though I'm not the biggest fan of the holly berry pattern, I've never seen these exact mugs before. These are fun. Left in $15 each. And of course the flamingo. Oh, love it. Now you might have seen me breeze past these ones, but I have bought and sold these in the past and they don't sell well for me, but I do have a giant floor lamp version in my apartment that I'll never get rid of. Oh, look at this funny little reindeer. And then the Santa and Mrs. Claus Sugar and Cream are fun, but they are newer than I'd like. I like the owls too, again, newer than I'd like, and that matte bisque material. Gosh, I've never seen so much new old stock Christmas as I have this year. She is fantastic. Ah, look at these guys. Set of 2, 33, so $30, 15 each. It leaves a little room, but not enough for me to get excited about. I usually sell those between 19 and 21 each, depending on condition. This is very, very pretty. I cannot stop looking at it. Well, the other day I bashed stickers, and I constantly bash Halloween, but I can't bash these. Those are freaking awesome. I did go ahead and give those a quick Google, and they're online right now for about $25, so I'm not going to mess with them. I do notice the little bone chinas in there. 2 for $24 is a really good deal on those, especially with 10%. And then I see Little Red Riding Hood bone china is only $8. Oh my gosh, that celluloid Santa and the reindeer. Oh, fantastic. This is a fun one. I don't think I've seen a full-blown Christmas tree like that before. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. That's probably about what I'd get for it after fees. Gosh, this is amazing too. They have really nice stuff in this booth. I have been in the same booth for way too long. Love this purse. Oh my gosh, and it's only $17. Oh my gosh. What? Vintage Holly Boy glass tumblers, 4 for $47, then minus $4.70, so $43 for 4. It's like $11 a glass. I'm gonna look these up. I've never seen them before, but this Holly Berry snowman figurine thing, usually anything that he's involved in goes for good money, and these are just too unique to not do my favorite thing and occupy the space on the ground and do my homework. So I did find them. They're English, actually, made in England, and they're from the year 1955. They seem super hard to find. I'm still kind of on the ground. Before I invest that much in them, I do want to make sure they're not readily available already online, because I figure I'll sell them for about $23 maybe a glass, which seems like a no-brainer, but if someone buys the set and then you have fees and shipping and stuff, I just want to make sure I'm making the right move. I'm only going to get them if no one else has them, so I'm going to keep doing my research here. I just found out they are open till 7, so I've kind of made myself comfortable. You know what? I'm going to do it. This is kind of crazy of me. I might regret spending that much on them, but I think they're pretty spectacular. I only found one set that's readily available right now, and it's 3 digits. So I think it would be kind of fun to offer them as a individual glass for someone who doesn't want a set of 8 for 3 digits. Totally freaking rad. And they have that Holt Howardy Christmas look we love, even though they're British. Now, before I do the rest of this booth and this aisle, I am rushing to the, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff everywhere. Crap, this is going to be a whole thing. I am rushing to the cases. I think I might actually put these back until I do the cases. I just want to know what I'm missing out on. I've spent so much money so far, and I'm about to spend so much more. I hid them. I didn't do a very good hiding job, but I'm just going to run and look at the cases just to make sure I'm not gonna get too carried away too quick. Oh, it's a Santa one. How cute. He's only $3. Okay, let me not get distracted. I'll come back. Already distracted again. I know I don't usually mess with battery op, but Hong Kong, 15 bucks. Oh, cases.